Hello, welcome to my channel. So I just go around filming something. Hello, welcome to my channel. So I just go around filming something. Hello, welcome to my channel. So I just go around filming something.
Hello everyone. In today's video, we are going to deep dive into Filmora 9 color grading tool to help you understand how to adjust the look of your video with Filmora 9 color correction tool and LUTs. In this tutorial, I am going to use my example footage of me talking to the camera in my previous vlog. That footage was shot with my Canon 800D in neutral picture profile. In Filmora 9, there are some ways to access its color correction tool. The fastest way is to click on the video track, and hit this button on top of the timeline. This pop-up window is where you will work with Filmora 9 color grading tool. Alternatively, you can right-click on the clip and select color correction at the pop-up menu, which will direct you to the same pop-up window. OK. In this window, you will have two options to use. The first option is to use a color preset of Filmora 9. There are different color presets here to select. In this tutorial, I will concentrate on showing how to correct video color manually at this Adjust tab. Being noticed that you can turn on side-by-side view on top right corner of the window by clicking this icon. There are some options here, but I will change to my favorite side-by-side view as I think it's the easiest way to see the change of the color. Normally, if you film with auto white balance, you may want to fix the white balance of your video first. Click here to adjust the white balance of your video. I am not going to change it as I shot with manual white balance setting on my camera. Secondly, I will go to color menu to fix my video contrast and saturation as my neutral picture profile makes my video looks flat and desaturated. At the contrast slider, I will go up to about 80 or 90. You can easily recognize the change here. I will also increase the saturation a little bit. This looks fine for me. Now we need to adjust lighting parameter a little bit to fix the blowout sky before moving to adjust each individual color in the video. Reduce highlight and white will make your video darker, but we can brighten it up by increasing shadow and black slider. OK, that's how to use Filmora 9 color correction tool. If you wanted to change individual color in your video, go ahead to this HSL, which stands for hue, saturation, and luminance. You can change any color in the video here. Honestly speaking, I am not a colorist and I'm very bad at color grading videos. So, I hope to give you enough information so that you can work around to find your style with Filmora 9 color grading tool. Here is before and after color grading again.
Hello, welcome to my channel. So I just go around filming something. Hello, welcome to my channel. So I just go around filming something. So welcome to my channel.